I don't. It looks good with the light on. Like. Hey guys, welcome back. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I'm gonna be doing my yellow fog lights. So I got like the whole fog light assembly. I'll put the link down below. Let's get started. Okay, so I haven't opened these yet. So I'm just gonna do it on the camera. Oh wow, these are pretty clean. So here's what they look like. They're more amber than yellow. Don't know if I'm gonna like them. Huh. I guess we'll see. Alright, so as you guys can see, these are not really yellow, but they're more amber. They're a lot more amber than a yellow. I mean, I think it'll look good. I'm not really sure. They're kind of orange if you look at the side marker. Nah, I mean, I'm not going to take my wheel off or anything. I'm just going to turn my wheel. Now I have room to do all the stuff back here. I already took these screws out. There's like one here and then one here. I can just go back here and then just pull the liner back. I don't have to take anything really off. Okay, so all this fog light is just 3 little bolts. Alright, so it's out. Now I gotta squeeze it out of this little tiny hole I made. Damn, can't get that out. Alright. Looks like I gotta take all these ones underneath off. Okay, jeez. Alright, here they are. I don't know. It's like an indicator light, like a blinker. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be keeping these. I'm gonna leave this film on because I'm probably gonna return them at this point. But I'm just gonna see what they would look like. My battery died. That's just fantastic. This is embarrassing and hilarious at the same time. Okay. Oh, my keys. Wow. Where are my keys at? That is a concern. Wow. Okay. Okay, we got life. I think what's going on is these fog lights aren't meant to be, huh? I got them in. Alright, let's see. I don't know, that looks ugly. My buddy Austin's gonna be here soon. I'm gonna see what he thinks. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna put the LED in it. Actually, let me take these jumper cables off. They look kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie. So I put the LED bulb in there. You can see it. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, it's definitely yellow. I guess it looks good. But when there's no light on it, it looks weird. It looks like orange. I don't know. There he is. So what do you think? Look at it. Looks pretty yellow. But wait, when you turn it off, it's like ugly. You know what I mean? Like, what is that? It doesn't look good when it's off. I was looking for like a nice yellow when it's off. I don't know.
I mean, it looks good on.
It looks really good on, I know.
I would have never turned it off. What do you guys think? What's the YouTube channel think?
I don't know.
I need to You guys can tap in. You didn't swipe over enough on the options for you.
So I shut the hood. I'm still.
It actually looks better with the hood shut.
He likes it.
Yeah, it's just better than the stocks.
Well, what I was gonna do is, if these don't look good, I was just gonna get brand new.
Aftermarket or die, bro. I mean,
I was gonna get brand new clear ones, just so it's like looks clean.
you're okay.
Damn, I don't know what to do. What do we do? What should it be called?
Tom Euro Kid.
Not Tomahawk?
Tomahawk Euro Kid.
Yeah, I don't know. So my car died again. Definitely need to get a new battery soon.
2 hours later.
That's hilarious. So what we're gonna do is, after this is done juicing up,
We'll take it for a spin around the block.
yeah, we're gonna take it for a spin, because it does look a lot different.
We're gonna ask the neighbors their opinion.
We're gonna ask each and every one of my neighbors their opinion, and if people like it, then I'm gonna keep it.
Take a pull.
We're gonna knock everyone's door. All right.
Good old tally system.
All right, let's do this. Okay. He just decided to go off-roading, huh? Come on, Grandpa. All right, come on, let's go. Oh my. What is that car doing?
That one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought they're kind of
I know. I don't know how I feel about it. Here, I want you to see it. How do you feel about it? I don't know.
It looks good with the light on, but with it off, it looks.
Can we do it with it off?
Yeah.
So what's it look like with it off?
It looks pretty orange.
It does? Like it looks ugly?
Yeah, here. You want to see?
Oh, I never turned my dad's truck off. Whoops. The white looks clean, like modern, you know what I mean? But the yellow looks cool too.
Maybe some deep dish wheels and like stickers.
I'm not into deep dish.
Deep dish like DiGiorno.
Alright, so we're gonna turn it on, see what it looks like at night.
Moment of truth. Oh, that is yellow.
That is pretty yellow right there.
Looks a lot better at night, like in the dark. Or dark. The white's real bright, but the yellow's nice.
Yeah, the white's bright, the yellow's just nice. I mean, the yellow's bright.
Different bright. It's that comfort bright. Oh, I gotta do surgery, right? Find any screws or anything. You can find the screws on that side.
No. So I actually asked my neighbor how they felt about the yellow lights, and they said no, keep them white.
I need more opinions.
We need way more opinions.
Got the light, the better you can see with the fog, because fog raises up.
Yeah.
It's not close to the ground.
So you think the yellow looks good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything in the yellow is cool.
My dad likes it.
He does?
Yeah.
Because he's European. That's the ultimate test. He's really European.
But he likes it, it's funny. Alright. Am I gonna keep it?
Find out then. Find out next week.
Find out next year. Here's the bulb that we're using. As Austin called it, an LED 630. I have no idea what he's talking about. But so I decided to keep it. And now I guess Austin wants to peel it off. It's stuck.
that was fun.
Was it? Or I get to do the other one. You know, it doesn't look bad.
Run out of protection, you can always use this.
It really doesn't look bad. I
Wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah, whatever he said. Looks good. Alright, so I decided to keep them. They're very yellow. It's really good. So I just ended up using those white LEDs that I have in my last video because these fog lights are tinted yellow, so I was like, why not? I don't need to get an actual yellow LED. I guess if I did, it might look even more yellow, but I think it came out good. Alright, so here's the first drive with the fog lights, with the yellow fog lights. It doesn't look too yellow. I'll turn them off. So that's with them off and turn them back on. So not too yellow. Obviously it's going to be really good when it's raining or, you know, really foggy out, but overall looks really good. Pretty impressed, so I'm going to keep it. But anyways, I'm out of here. I'm on my way home. If you like the video, make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe for more BMW content.